Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an amazing set for all Marvel fans, the LEGO Marvel X-Men The X-Mansion Building Set. If you're a fan of superheroes and LEGO, you're going to love this one. Before we jump into the details, make sure to check the link below to grab your set at the best price available today. The LEGO Marvel X-Men The X-Mansion Set, set number 76294, is a must-have for adult LEGO builders and Marvel fans alike. Designed for ages 18+, this Buildable Xavier Institute lets you relive iconic moments from the X-Men universe while creating a detailed and intricate model of the X-Mansion. The set features 3,000+ pieces, providing hours of immersive building fun that's perfect for seasoned LEGO fans looking for a challenging and rewarding project. The X-Mansion is beautifully designed with stunning details, including movable walls that reveal hidden areas of the mansion. It's a fantastic representation of the iconic Marvel building, filled with subtle references and Easter eggs from the comic books and movies. You'll be able to recreate the famous Danger Room or the X-Jet hangar, which are great highlights of the set. This set also comes with 10 minifigures, each representing a beloved X-Men character, including Wolverine, Storm, Cyclops, Professor X, and more. These detailed figures add extra personality to your build, letting you relive some of the greatest moments from the X-Men franchise as you display your work of art. Each figure is highly detailed and includes iconic accessories and costumes, which bring them to life. What makes this set even more special is the collectible value. Whether you're looking for the perfect addition to your Marvel collectibles or a thoughtful gift for a superhero fan, this set is sure to be a conversation starter. The X-Mansion looks amazing on display and will make a stunning centerpiece in any room or collection. One of the best parts of the LEGO Marvel X-Men The X-Mansion set is its buildability. The set challenges you with intricate details while keeping it fun and engaging. Plus, it's a fantastic way to relax, escape, and immerse yourself in the Marvel universe while creating something incredible with your hands. In conclusion, the LEGO Marvel X-Men The X-Mansion Building Set is an incredible project for adult LEGO builders and Marvel fans. The attention to detail, the fun of building, and the nostalgic value of the X-Men universe make this set a must-have. Whether you're buying it for yourself or gifting it to a superhero fan, it's sure to impress and provide hours of enjoyment. Right pointing finger emoji. Make sure to check the link below to grab your LEGO Marvel X-Men The X-Mansion Building Set at the best price available today. You won't want to miss this one.